Hello guys, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less, save more on your grocery bill today. You guys wanted to know exactly what I buy? I'm going to show you. So I stopped by Walmart to just pick up these generic rice checks right there. And that's all I was going to get. Rice checks, bread, and a thing of milk. I should say those three things was all I was going to get. Well, as I was there, I noticed they had these huge family size of Cheerios for $2.74 for the huge family size box. That is the cheapest I've seen Cheerios in about 15 years, I think. It ended up being about 14 cents an ounce. Even over here, my Fruity Pebbles in the bag, they were like 17 cents. So that's still even cheaper than the bagged cereal. So I grabbed, you can see, I grabbed all they had. I didn't grab all of the multigrain because I wasn't sure if we would like them or not. And they're pretty good. I don't know, I may or may not go back and get the rest, but here's the interesting thing about this. I picked all these up, and the little voice in my head, which was probably the Holy Spirit, said, take a picture of the price because it's not going to ring up right. So I did, and sure enough, I get up there and it didn't ring up right. And I said, well, I had a feeling it wasn't going to ring up right, so I took a picture on my phone, and here it is. And she's like, oh, okay. So I got all of these great big, huge boxes of Cheerios, even cheaper than the sale price. Then they had eggs. Now, King Soopers has them for 99 cents. These were $1.28. To save $1, I wasn't going to make another trip to King Soopers just to get eggs, so I went ahead and got those. The whales, I'm going out of town next week, so I got these for Mike's lunch. I pre-packaged them into little containers and keep them in the pantry so that we can just grab one for lunch. I think those were $2. My gluten-free bread, $5. My English breakfast tea, my favorite tea in the whole wide world is English breakfast. And I needed some decaf for my evening calm down moment. So I got that. Needed some liquid smoke. I just happened to see it, so I picked it up. Bread, 88 cents. Chips, 99 cents. Got 2 of those. And then a gallon of milk. Now, all this cereal isn't what we're eating just this week. This will probably last us 2 or 3 months. But that's all I needed this week. So I got 3 bags of cuties. All of this was $55, including the cuties, which I don't have in here. Here's what's left of them. I had 3 times this amount, and my children have already just inhaled all of them. So all of this, $55, will get us through probably 2 to 3 months worth of cereal at least. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better and spend less. And go visit us at livingonadime.com.